Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Teacher Didel. Welcome to our online class this afternoon. And I hope that na marami kayong matututunan ngayon. And please listen carefully because after this, I will give you some series of questions. So, before we go to our discussion, all I want you to do, please, I will check your attendance first, no, and also makinig lagi kayo sa akin, and I hope na itong mga discussion na to ay lalabas during your midterm examination. Okay? So, please, anyone who can pray, kung sino man sa inyo ngayon sa bawat bahay ninyo at magdarasal kayo, ay sana isabay din ninyo ako sa prayer ninyo. At ngayong araw na to ay i-discuss natin yung pinagmulan ng physical education. So, I hope that all of you are second year, and this will be the basic, no? Natapos na natin itong discussion na to, ulitin ko lang ulit para you have your materials for your review during before, no, bago mag midterm, no, 2 weeks before the examination. Okay, so before we start up, so paki-comment na lang ninyo yung mga names niyo for your attendance for this afternoon. And ayan, so para naman makita ko kung talaga you are active participating this our classes for this afternoon. Okay, so I will open my PowerPoint presentation, and mamaya makinig lang kayo sa akin, and ayun na, mag-interact lang kayo. Kung gusto niyo mag-interact, raise your hands, mag-comment lang kayo sa comment down below sections. Ayan, so lahat ng mga queries nyo sasagutin ko doon. Okay, let's start it. So ayan, so yan, open. So, our lesson for today is all about the foundation of PE. So, ano bang ibig sabihin ng foundation of PE para sa atin, no? Pag sinabing foundation of PE, ibig sabihin, ito yung pinagmulan na kung saan nanggaling ang physical education. Kailan ba ito nag-start? Kailan ba ito nagsimula? Okay, ulitin ko, ang foundation of PE should be your basis, the fundamental, and also the basic foundation of PE. When we say PE, should be the physical education. So, kailan ba nagsimula? Paano ba nangyari ito? Ano may mga evolutions dito? So, itong subject nyo sa akin na Socio-Anthropological Foundation of PE, aaralin natin dito kung paano natin, kung saan nanggaling ang physical education. So, hindi na that what we call this one, hindi na bago para sa akin ito, kasi nga, tinuturo ko na to since last year, and also, na-take ko na ito for my master's degree, and also, ito naman subject to ay inaaral na namin talaga since my college, when I was in college before, na nung BPED pa ako. And also, foundation of PE, ayan. So, let's go back to our discussion. Pag sinabing foundation of PE, ito yung ito yung mga pinagmulan talaga. So yung physical education, so what is physical education comes from you. So, physical education as integral part of total education process. Kapag sinabing integral part of total education process, you will become an holistic person. Okay? Kung ano ba talaga, kung you're be complete, or ikaw ba ay kompleto, ikaw ba ay whole-rounded ba na ang personalidad mo, you are whole-rounded for your emotions, for your mental, your social, your intellectual, or your interact from other people, your interactive or interpersonal, no? So, as a field of endeavor that has its aim to improvement of human performance. So, meaning of this, no, ang physical education daw, it should be your improvement, no, as a human. Binabago ka ng PE. Example, if you become an obese, so, ano ba mga exercise na in-incorporate namin sa inyo? Ano ba yung mga activities na kailangan gawin ninyo para kayo ay pumayat, no? Kayo ay maging yung lifestyle nyo ay mabago. Ibig sabihin daw na ang physical education ay yung ini-endeavor namin na kayo ay ma-improve ang isang performance through the medium of physical activities. Okay? That has been to select an overview to realizing this outcome. Ibig sabihin, kung ano man yung mga mangyayaring mga outcome based on your activity, and it should be by improvement of yourself. Ibig sabihin, may nagbago para sa'yo. Ibig sabihin, ginawa mo yung gusto mo na you transform, you develop yourself. Okay? So, listen, ladies and gentlemen, it is a course which is utilized for a play or movement exploration by setting for the transmission of physical education by applying your knowledge and skill. Ibig sabihin kapag tinawag po nating knowledge, your cognitive, okay? Your cognitive development. Okay? So, kapag skills ang pinag-uusapan natin, may we apply the psychomotor development. Okay? Kapag ikaw ay maging kapag ikaw ay gusto mo magbago, yung lifestyle mo, always think na kailangan yung cognitive level mo is kailangan you'll be a mentally fit, kailangan naka-mental condition ka at sabayan mo ito ng maraming exercise, mababago yung lifestyle mo, no? So as individual or group performance, no, it should be application of these skills. So, ibig sabihin, pag sinabing application, it should be a real life situation. Should be the real life situation based on the skills performance, no? So, dito, makikita natin yung resulta, no, na kapag ang mga PE teacher o mga PE instructors ay nagkakanda, no, nire-refer ito as an intramural or extracurricular sports physical activity students take through of this year system to purpose of physical education. So, may we involve ourselves to be more trained, no, the body and physical system, because you know, ladies and gentlemen, that our body composed of the different muscles, different bone structures, and also yun kailangan ma-train natin, ma-conditions natin yung mga katawan natin before we do the exercises. Before you join the sports competition, and I hope that all of you will do the conditioning. Someday you will become a teacher. Kapag kayo ay maging teacher na, no, you graduate na kayo as a teacher, instructor, no, kayo maging may nasa DepEd na kayo, magtuturo kayo ng PE, kailangan naman natin na i-check natin yung condition ng mga estudyante natin before to do the activity. Because if you will not, no, physically active, if you are sedentary active, no, hindi ka talaga, hindi magbabago yung lifestyle mo kapag continuous na ginagawa mo yung hindi ka nag-exercise, hindi ka, yung habit mo, hindi mo binabago yan, ibig sabihin, you will not be developed as a holistic person. Okay, so let's move, no? What is philosophy? No? Philosophy, so ibig sabihin ng philosophy para sa inyo, pag sinabing philosophy sa foundation of PE, yung how much I am worth are matters controversy, no? I may expect it to yield extraordinary revelations of many views at its indifference as a thinking in the void, no? Ibig sabihin dito, no, kapag sinabi natin na philosophy, yung philo means yung wisdom, no? Kapag sinabing Sophia, okay, ibig sabihin it should be the Latin words of the philosophy. So, meaning of philosophy, the terms of philosophy is a Greek of meaning of philia. Pag sinabing philia or love, kapag sinabing pag Sophia naman should mean meanings of wisdom or knowledge. Ibig sabihin, kapag philosophy, ano ba yung philosophy mo in life? What is your goal in life, okay? Kapag sabihin, ano philosophy mo? No? Example, I will give you some philosophy. Pag sinabing philosophy, education is the key to success. Ibig sabihin, yung aim ko, yung goal ko, kailangan makapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral mo para maging successful ka sa buhay mo. Para sa ganun, meron kang mga maibabalik sa mga parents mo someday kapag kayo naman ay nakapag-graduate na. You will be a well-educated person. Okay? Pag sinabing love, ibig sabihin philia. Kapag Sophia, meaning which is wisdom or knowledge. No, philia, love, Sophia, knowledge. Okay, pag pinagditong po natin yan in the Tagalog, in the English term would be a philosophy. Say it philosophy. Okay, philosophy. This definition tells us that literally that philosophy means love of wisdom. Say it, love of wisdom. No? In the context of knowledge, no, a person who love to learn. Ibig sabihin, ang quote nito, a person who love to learn or to know the sense of thing or the situation of knowledge or wisdom. Ibig sabihin, kapag ikaw minamahal mo ang isang bagay, minamahal mo yung pag-aaral mo, ibig sabihin, you will become a successful teacher someday. Ibig sabihin, maging isang ganap ka na guro kapag ikaw ay minahal mo yung pag-aaral mo. Kasi nga may aim ka sa buhay mo, may gusto mo mabago yung buhay mo. Ibig sabihin, dapat lalagyan mo ng pagmamahal, at the same time, kailangan meron kang knowledge, may wisdom. Okay? So next, yun lang po, at maraming salamat, and that the ends of our The Foundation of P. And next time, I will upload another lesson for the historical foundation of PE. So, I hope you learned something. I hope na kayo ay maraming natutunan, and that's ends of our discussion. Thank you so much once again, and God bless you all.